Here's how to make authentic Italian carbonara. I'm using squared spaghetti from my favorite brand, DeCecco. Lots of finely grated Pecorino Romano, 4 eggs, fresh cracked black pepper, Guanciale, which is pig's cheek. Don't use smoked bacon here. And about a tablespoon of sea salt for the pasta water. Start by dicing the Guanciale into fairly large chunks. Separate 3 egg yolks and 1 whole egg into a bowl. Add in a healthy amount of grated Pecorino Romano cheese and plenty of cracked pepper. Mix well until a yellow paste is formed. Get some water boiling in a large pot and add in some sea salt. In a medium-low heat pan, render the guanciale until crispy. Remove it from the pan with a slotted spoon and save the rendered fat. Drop about half a pound of squared spaghetti in the boiling water. While the spaghetti cooks, strain the rendered fat and wipe out the remaining bits with a paper towel. On low heat, add a little of the fat back to the clean pan. Reserve a cup of pasta water. Once the spaghetti is al dente, add it to the pan, stir it up, then add some of that guanciale and save some for the top. Add a little splash of pasta water to the egg mixture to help temper it. Place the pan on top of the boiling pasta water pot. Add in all of the egg mixture. Constantly stir and add pasta water. Do not stop stirring. You don't want scrambled eggs here. Toss it in the sauce until completely creamy and the spaghetti is coated well. Plate it up. Sprinkle on some of that crispy guanciale, fresh Pecorino Romano cheese, and lots of black pepper. That's the key here, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Make this for your family. If you love a nice, creamy, authentic Roman pasta, this one's for you.